we will discuss about the structure of IgD and its characteristics. This is the domain structure of IgD. The molecular weight of IgD is 180,000 Dalton. Sedimentation coefficient is 7s. The number of basic 4 peptide units is 1. The heavy chains are delta type. No human IgD subclass are known. Valency for antigen binding is 2. Approximately 0.2% of the total immunoglobulin constitute the IgD. Function is not established. IgD is expressed on the surface of mature B cell, especially in neonates. IgD signaling may play an important immune regulatory role in the activation and function of mature naive B cells. IgD molecules can anchor on the cell membrane via a glycosyl phosphatidylate inositol linkage. The concentration of IgD in human serum varies from 3 to 40 μg per ml. IgD is also present as a soluble form in plasma. IgD and IgM are co-expressed on the surface of most peripheral B cells. IgD is normally expressed in resting mantle cells and can be useful in identifying primary follicles. IgD is present in human nasal, lacrimal, salivary, mammary, bronchial, pancreatic, cerebrospinal fluids. Intestinal secretions contain only trace amounts of IgD. Patients with IgA deficiency have an increased frequency of IgD secreting plasma cells in the upper aerodigestive mucosa, probably due to a compensatory mechanism. IgD is usually detected in serum at about 6 months of age. In chronic infections, IgD serum levels increase as do those of the other immunoglobulins. IgD is usually absent in hypogammaglobulinemic individuals. IgD is a potent inducer of TNF-alpha, IL-1 beta and IL-1 receptor antagonist. Patients with allergies and autoimmune diseases do not show an abnormal IgD concentrations. IgD does not bind, complement, does not cross the placenta and does not bind to the cells through its Fc region. IgD increases release of IL-6, IL-10 and leukemia inhibitory factor from the peripheral blood mononuclear cells. IgD has been found in all of the mammalian and avian species tested and is conserved across species. IgDs are extremely sensitive to proteolysis. Physiologic function of serum IgD is not clear. IgD also have a regulatory role by increasing a protective antibody response of the IgM, IgG or IgA isotype or by interfering with viral replication. IgD has the longest hinge sequence. The hinge sequence has 64 amino acids and the IgD is provided with 3 N-glycosylation. IgD has 2 heavy chains, 2 light chains and no additional chains. IgD does not cause mast cell degranulation.